Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Graphlinq protocol token. Now this is a brand new token, fairly new, and is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting today, February 27th, on a decent sized central exchange. So this is big news for this project here, and we're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this token, it was just announced, is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting today, February 27th at 8 o'clock UTC time on a central exchange called Coinex Global. So it's already past 8 a.m. UTC time, so it is listed there as of now. It's up already for trading. Ticker symbol GLQ for this token. So basically all you'd have to do to get this token if you wanted to get it, first of all, if you don't have a Coinex Global account, I do have a Coinex referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically all you'd have to do is simply go right through that Coinex Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search GLQ, the ticker symbol, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So what is the project all about? Well, it says the Graphlinq ecosystem comprises of two main components, the Graphlinq chain and the Graphlinq protocol. So the Graphlinq protocol is an automated process management solution that is designed to make it easy for users to deploy and manage various types of automation without the need for coding skills. This protocol is made up of 4 key components: the IDE, the app, the engine, and the marketplace. So the Graphlinq Integrated Development Environment, the IDE, is a powerful tool that allows users to create automation through a simple drag and drop interface. The IDE provides users with a visual representation of the automation process and makes it easy to connect different nodes together to create complex automation. The Graphlinq app is a user-friendly interface that allows users to access pre-made automation templates and deploy them with just a few clicks. The app makes it easy for users to customize their templates by updating variables and deploying the automation directly from the app. So the Graphlinq engine is the core component of the Graphlinq protocol that executes automation and ensures that they are executed accurately and securely. The engine runs on the Graphlinq chain and is responsible for executing the nodes in a user automation and ensuring that all data is processed correctly. The Graphlinq marketplace is a platform that allows users to buy, sell, and trade GLQ templates and other types of automation. The marketplace provides users with access to a wide range of automation templates and allows them to connect with other users to offer or request specific types of automation. And the Graphlinq chain is a blockchain that is specifically designed to support the Graphlinq protocol. The chain is a proof of authority, a POA blockchain that provides a secure and scalable platform for running automation. The Graphlinq protocol utilizes the Graphlinq chain to ensure that automation is executed securely and accurately. In the future, Graphlinq plans to expand its ecosystem and create a platform for more decentralized applications to run on its chain. And this will provide users with access to a broader range of services and applications that can be integrated into their automation, allowing them to automate even more complex processes and tasks. So GLQ is the native asset of the Graphlinq chain. It's the token used for every financial transactions on the protocol and the community's needs. With the GLQ token, you can run your graphs executed over the Graphlinq engine network and pay for the fees for executions. Every token minted since the creation of the token used as gas fees to pay for graph will be burned, reducing the supply of the token to assure a curve of evolution and help the market adoption. We will also use the token as a DAO governance token to offer the community the possibility of choosing the future of Graphlinq and the next developments to focus on. So the allocation here, it says there is a total supply, first of all, of 650 million coins. Then we have 500 million of those coins reserved for migrating from the Ethereum chain, 50 million for the ecosystem fund, and 50 million for rewards for stakers and graph incentivizers, and 50 million for the treasury. So there is a bridge where you can bridge between Ethereum and Graphlinq network. There is rewards for staking, for validators, and engine rewards. If you want to learn how to run a node, first of all, you can go over to their webpage, graphlinq.io. You can click on their document section, and that will take you over to docs.graphlinq.io. And over there, you can learn about installation, about running a node. They have a dev tooling section where you can learn about graphs, engine, dashboard interface, the blocks, all that type of stuff is available on there. They also have a Twitter, which I'm going to put up on the screen right here, Graphlinq_proto. Medium articles, they have a GitHub, they have a full audit report by Solid Proof, so it's a good idea to check that over. And you can find their Explorer at explorer.graphlinq.io. Real easy to find everything. So go check it out. This token just got listed today on Coinex Global, so check out all the referral codes down there in the description box, especially that Coinex Global one. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. What do you guys think about this project? And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.